Hello friends, do you like eating oysters? Oyster culture, also known as oyster farming, is the cultivation of oysters for human consumption. The process involves various stages, from the collection of oyster larvae to the harvesting of mature oysters. Oysters are typically gonochoristic, meaning they have separate male and female individuals. Spawning occurs when adult oysters release eggs and sperm into the water column. The release of reproductive cells is triggered by factors like temperature, salinity, and changes in daylight. Oyster larvae are collected by suspending collectors in the water. As larvae settle on them, they transform into spat. Collected larvae are often transferred to controlled environments, known as larval culture systems. Filtration systems and exchange may be employed to ensure a suitable environment for their development. Larvae thus may be kept in tanks or raceways to ensure their survival and healthy growth. Parameters such as temperature, salinity, pH, and dissolved oxygen levels are carefully monitored. Once the larvae have developed into a spat, they are ready to be transferred to nursery systems. The spat is often attached to a substrate, such as oyster shells or other materials used as collectors. Nursery systems can take various forms, including floating bags, trays, or other structures. They provide a controlled environment for the growing oysters. The choice of nursery system depends on factors such as the scale of the operation. The desired oyster species or local environmental conditions are some of them. As the spat continues to grow, they may undergo size grading to separate them into groups based on their size. Size grading helps manage population density and ensures that oysters of similar sizes are grouped together. Uniformity in size is important for efficient management and harvesting in subsequent stages. Maintenance tasks in the nursery may include cleaning the structures. Removing fouling organisms and addressing any issues that could affect the health of the oysters. Proper maintenance helps create a favorable environment for oyster growth and minimizes the risk of disease. The grow-out areas are carefully selected based on water quality, salinity, temperature, and other factors. Proper deployment ensures that they have access to sufficient water flow, nutrients, and space for growth. Oysters can be harvested by hand using dredges. During the harvesting process, they are inspected to ensure that they meet the necessary requirements. Oysters may undergo cleaning and sorting to remove debris. High-resolution cameras or imaging devices are used to take measures of individuals. After measuring, oysters are sorted and grouped into the appropriate size categories. Fouling organisms or any extraneous. This can be done manually to visually inspect each oyster and place it in the corresponding size bin. This is a specialized knife designed for sucking oysters with a typically short blade with a pointed tip. Once the knife is in the hinge, it is twisted to pry the shell part. This might require a bit of force, so care must be taken when maintaining control of the knife. So there you have it, the journey from farm to table for the most exquisite oysters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in the world of gastronomy. Until next time, happy shucking.